He spoke about fear and how leaders should react to it.
Fear induces closed-mindedness.
Yeah.
We like to build up barriers to prevent us from hearing things that may force us to re-examine who we are and what our attitudes are.
The former president, along with Gracia Machel, Mandela's widow, discussed the work being done by the Nelson Mandela Foundation. That event happening just one day after South Africans celebrated Freedom Day, marking the 25th anniversary of the end of apartheid. At 7's on Storm Watch now, where water rescues are underway in Quebec, Canada, after floodwaters broke through the dike last night. Firefighters, police, and soldiers are going door to door to make sure that residents are brought to safety. And look at what a difference 24 hours make. A sunny day by the water in Milwaukee turning into a snow-filled one. Residents say they had just packed away their winter gear when this late season storm pushed in, dropping nearly 2 inches of snow. And that snow also dropping in Chicago, leading to major travel troubles there. Nearly 600 flights were grounded at O'Hare International Airport, and more than 135 flights had to be canceled at Midway International Airport. And as you can see, conditions also treacherous out on the roadways. Pretty amazing to see that in spring.
And even for Chicago, I mean, they hadn't had a snow this much this late since back in 1940. So right, it's been a while.
We were looking at swimming pools with snowfall coming down. It's kind of hard to understand.
And around here, we could have a little bit of frost in our far northern western suburbs. It's not out of the question. We typically say wait till around Mother's Day around the city before you do planting. And we're not quite there. We're about 2 weeks away from that. So let's take a look outside. Just delightful. We got to 74 today. And right now on the Georgetown waterfront, people taking their boats out for a little dinner al fresco outside tonight. I'll tell you, there definitely is a little bit of a breeze. We had that front come through. The morning shower, some sun, a few clouds, a couple isolated showers, and then back to some breezes, but very comfortable, 68 degrees. Folks out and about enjoying the afternoon and early evening, which you would say now. 270 southbound, a few more cars on it than on the northbound side. And as we check in at Deerfield Run Elementary in Laurel, 61, 63 in Burke, and 59 College Park South, riding 59. Those cooler numbers are moving in on the heels of this northwesterly wind. Anywhere from 21 right now sustained in Manassas to 23 in Andrews, 21 in Annapolis, 17 in Frederick. The winds will calm later tonight, and with calming winds, those temperatures will drop back rather quickly from the 60s into the 50s, eventually some 40s and even 30s in the suburbs later tonight. So when you wake up and head out the door tomorrow morning, take a look at this. 39 Gaithersburg, 37 in Frederick, 39 Winchester, 37 in Luray, even low 40s from Leesburg, Manassas to Andrews. But those areas you're seeing some 30s on the maps, those are the areas that could have a little bit of frost. So it's still early, as I mentioned, especially for folks north and west. You should wait till after Mother's Day before planting. But if you have any tender vegetation out there, you might want to protect it, cover it up, bring it in if you can. Clark and Frederick in Virginia, Jefferson, Berkeley, and Morgan in West Virginia, Washington and Frederick in Maryland, as we will see clear skies, lighter winds, and a very cool night headed our way. High pressure right overhead makes for a chilly start to your day tomorrow. That high will mean an easterly wind flow tomorrow, so we'll have a good deal of sunshine. But with that easterly, northeasterly flow, we'll see a little bit of a cooler day. Temperatures held in the 60s tomorrow, but by Tuesday, warmer air will start to nudge in from the south, and that'll set the stage for a warmer mid-portion of the week. So here's a look at your forecast tomorrow. We'll see temperatures in the 60s. We'll go to the 80s by the time we get to Tuesday and Wednesday. If you're heading to the Nats games this week, most of them should be okay other than a stray shower or two. It's late in the week on Thursday. They have the most concern for some showers and storms around the area, and that would be our biggest impact probably Thursday into Friday. But Friday, they're not playing at home, so that's good news there. As far as the week is concerned, much more of a spring-like feel. By next weekend, things clear out, and right at this point, looking pretty solid.
All right, nice and clear for tomorrow night's game.
Yes.
I'm actually going to be there, and hopefully they'll be swinging those bats. Looks like they were doing pretty well today.
A little drama at Nats Park. We're going to show you those highlights. Plus, DC United, while they're looking to pick up another road win, and of course, those Washington Nationals, they've been struggling, but we're going to show you the drama that unfolded inside Nats Park today. Stay with us.
When we put the Kia badge on at our factory, it's more than an automaker's logo. It's a stamp certifying that when we built this one, we gave it an industry-leading 10-year, 100,000-mile warranty and a suite of advanced safety features. When we put these 3 letters on a car, it means we give it everything. Right now, get 0% APR or $4,000 total cash on the purchase of a new 2019 Sorento V6. Hurry into your local Kia dealer today.
diamonds at their lowest price in years. Half-carat solitaires are now $3.99, 1 carat $7.90, 2 carat $9.50 per carat, plus 1 carat studs $3.99. Insane prices on thousands of GIA diamonds and designer rings. Buy direct, the Jewelry Exchange, Bethesda.
Hi, my name is Stephen Fun, and this is my wife.
Hi, Marjorie Fun.
And these are the Fun Kids. We vacation in Ocean City, Maryland, because this town has our name written all over it.
Fun, family of 4, fun.
We're the Funs, not the Borings. If you're looking for family fun, do what the Fun family does. Book a week in Ocean City, Maryland. Go to OCOcean.com and don't miss free events like movies on the beach.
Check out DCRefined.com and know everything that's happening in and around town. Food, fashion, fun. DCRefined.com. Don't miss the City Living section on DCRefined.com. Brought to you by My Eye Doctor, Doctors of Optometry.
This is not one of those amateur SUVs.